Hi guys, so it was very chilly and it was raining the entire day, and I wanted to have something that was easy to make and it was very warm and very comforting. So I decided we'll make thukpa. So thukpa is a very simple vegetable soup with noodles. It's very simple yet very flavorful, and it's extremely easy to make. So first I'm going to prepare my onions, garlic and some green chili. This recipe is really low in spices. You don't add a lot of spices. The flavors are very basic, but then they work so well together. Now I'm gonna use an electric pot here. You can directly use any pan or pressure cooker. Everything works just as fine. So I'm going to throw in some cumin. As that starts to crackle up a little, I'm going to put in the garlic and the green chili. And when the garlic is a little browny, I'm going to add in my onions. Now I'm going to deglaze the pot a little bit so that the pot does not burn. Now, until that's happening, I'm going to prepare my vegetables. So I'm going to prepare the capsicum, carrots, mushrooms work well, French beans work amazingly well, corns, whatever you have at hand, you can just put it in it. So I'm going to cook the tomatoes for some time, and then I'm going to add in turmeric powder for a lovely color. And then I'm going to put in the carrots and all the veggies. Now when adding water, if you wouldn't like the soup to be too simple, I would highly recommend that you add some vegetable stock or some vegetable stock powder, or even the market soup, the Nor soups that we get in the market. They work so well with it, and they just take this to a little richer level, I can say. But then I wanted to keep it simple and authentic. So now I've added some soy sauce, and I'm also going to add some chili sauce. Now any chili sauce will work. I had some sriracha, so I'm going to add that. So it's going to give a little spicy flavor to this. Now I'm going to add in coriander powder and some noodles. Now typically the noodles are boiled separately and then the soup is added, but then I wanted to make it one pot, so I'm going to add the noodles in this pot itself. I've also added salt. I forgot to shoot that. So now I'm going to cover this pot, and then I'm going to pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Or you can cook it until the vegetables are soft and you know the flavors have worked well together. The soup is completely done. To present it, I'm going to add in some onions, and chaat masala works amazingly well with this. And you're ready to dig in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and do give it a try.